right, so we're gonna do from 11.5, number 29 and 30. Okay, so basically, what it's asking for, right? What the question is actually asking for is the measure of arc PR, which is here, and the measure of arc LP, which is here. Okay, and I'm looking at those arcs, and I'm thinking those arcs are actually, like if I could find the measure of those arcs, we see that, hopefully we see anyway, that they're made up of this angle right here, right? So if I could find that angle, right, that would be our chord tangent angle. Those chord tangent angles are always half of that arc. So if I could find this angle, then I know what the arc is. And then the same thing over here. If I could find this angle, right, that angle right there, that would be half of that arc. So I could just double it to find the arc. So that's my plan going forward here. I'll get a better color here, erase all that. Okay, so basically now with what I'm given, I'm sure there are other ways to do this, but with what I'm given, this right here, those two lines are parallel. So hopefully we see that this 50 degree here and this 50 right here would actually be alternate interior angles. So they're going to be congruent. So if this is 50 degrees, that angle, which means arc LP is just going to be 100. It's just going to be double that, right? That's that rule that with the chord tangent angle is always half as much as that arc. So that arc is 100. All right, the other thing that we can do here is it tells me that LR, arc LR is 170. So that's this right here. LR is 170. So that arc being 170, well, I can look at the angle and its intercepted arc. The intercepted arc is 170, so that inscribed angle is going to be half of that, right? LR is 170, right? Okay, so that would just be 85 degrees, right? Yeah. All right, so that would be all right. So then, if you look here, we hopefully see that we have these three angles are going to be form a straight angle, right? So if we add them up, we get 135, which means that this has to be 45 right there. That angle, that is, has to be 45, because 45 plus 85 plus 50 gives me that 180, and then I can double that to get 90 for PR. All right. And that works out. Awesome. That one was it. So we got both of those. Perfect.